Well, guys, we're at it again. Hey, what's up, you guys? Kevin Buddy over here. Welcome back to Video File Freak. Quotation Projector Freak. I don't know why YouTube decided to do that, but whatever. I mean, if they want to do that, they're fine. I mean, Projector Freak was actually the first name of this channel until I changed it to Video File Freak because I want to do something for like Blu-ray players, HD DVD players, physical media, all that other stuff. But really, this channel was only made for reviewing projectors. And guess what we're doing today? We are reviewing another projector, but this time it's not an Infocus, it's not a Sony, it's not, what is it, Epson, BenQ, whatever. This was actually a brand that I was actually pulled off for a while. But this thing was made a long time ago. And I had this specific projector in the box, brand new, in the corner of where I have my Blu-rays. I had it in the corner for quite some time now. And I didn't have the time to make a video because I wanted to make the video of the Infocus HD projector. But when I actually now I have enough time. And then today we're going to review. Holy crap, this thing is actually big in the shot. Hold on. Oh my god. We are going to review and unbox and do a demo of the Optoma PT100 Playtime Gaming and Video Projector. Optoma is another manufacturer that I kind of try to stay away from, but this one actually blew my mind. This is a gaming, movies, and photos, so you can view all three. I don't know why. I don't know why they actually put that stuff. I guess it's, But we have two kids playing, looks like PS2 controllers over here. She's happy. He's like, he's also happy too. This is powered by DLP technology. DLP is a micro mirror display. I think I'm going to make a video about that because I do have a DLP chip. I did buy a DLP chip to actually talk about what DLP really is. I need to get that too as well. So this is the PT100 Playtime Gaming and Video Projector. When I bought this, it says it was new in-box new. And apparently somebody at the somebody handled this wrong and then decided to put a shipping label to fix the rip. Well, you know what? You suck. But here we go on the side of the specification. So it's a DLP projector, 60-inch diagonal image within 10 feet. It's an LED projector. Light source lasts over 20,000 hours. Native widescreen, built-in speaker, compact size, and easy to use. Well, you kind of suspect every projector to be easy to use. Powered by LED, RGB LED, which is actually cool. The same thing on the other side. And here's the real specifications. So, with the real specifications, the image size, 12 to over 60 diagonal inches. WVGA, native resolution, 854 by 480, 16 by 9 aspect ratio widescreen, 800:1 contrast ratio, built-in speaker, system, well this is the different system that I could do, NTSC and PAL, weighs about 1.7 pounds, and that's the dimensions right here. The inputs is VGA, composite, and audio. That's it. That's technically what this thing has, is composite and VGA. Very, very simple. Very, very straightforward. Compatible with gaming consoles, computers, DVD players, and set-top boxes. I don't know why you would want to watch anything live from live TV off a low-resolution projector, but DVD players I kind of understand because 854 by 480 is actually the widescreen resolution for DVD players, so I kind of see where they were going with that. And then gaming consoles, of course, because they specified this as a gaming and video projector. And then there is the I/O ports over here. So like I said, composite, VGA, and then that's your power input. So it actually shows you that. And what's included inside the box is a projector, AV cable, and AC adapter. That's it. That's all that there is to it with this projector. Project Essentials actually recommend this back in the day. Well, you know what? We'll see if it's really recommended in today's standards. I know it's not, but hey, who knows? So there you go. That is the box. That's all that she wrote. And let's open this and see what's inside. Well, we already know what's inside, but let's take a look at it. So, yeah, a little flap. Freaking assholes. Okay. So, it's held by cardboard. I guess it's a lot better than whatever the hell other junk is actually using, but whatever. So, let's take this out. There's the projector itself. Oh, okay. Alright. So here it is, the projector. Hold on. There we go. And here is the projector itself. Little tiny little thing by Optoma. Little tiny thing. It's white. It's really white. There's our lens in the front. Looks clean. There's our vent. There's our fan. Fan's over on the other side. Nothing underneath there. They say that this is a I read the manual that this is actually a kickstand, but I don't know how the hell you could enable get that going. But whatever. The bottom, nothing really to see there. Besides, it just says Optoma PT100 DLP projector. That's all that she wrote. And the back, composite, VGA, and power in. Power in is DC, so it's 12 volts, 1.5 amps, which that's really good for what it is. This little thing rarely even weighs anything. So, yeah, that's pretty handy. And on the top, there's your focus wheel, your power, which there's no standby on this thing, which is kind of weird how Optoma did that. Because I know when you plug in the projector, a red light will actually turn on. This guy, you have to just plug it in. The light doesn't even turn on. The only way that it's going to turn on is when you hit the power. So, there's your menu. There's your input selection, and then your up, down, left, right, and then the up, down is actually the volume. And then that's your speaker. That's a big freaking speaker for a projector this tiny. Who knew? The feel of it, it's not really... How should I say this? It doesn't feel cheap, because Optoma is really, really good with their projectors and their construction. They're like InFocus and Sony. They're really, really good about construction. So it doesn't feel cheap or chintzy. It just looks weird because it just looks like a kiddie's toy. But we're going to see that when we actually project something out the lens. Oh, that's the projector right there. And then we got our owner manual right here. You know, stop, return, do not return this product until you contact Optoma technical support team. Well, I know all about projectors, so if this thing dies, it doesn't matter because I know all about projectors, to be brutally honest, as hence of all the projectors I have. So, I don't need to contact Optoma for that. But, what's inside the box there? Look like there's another box. It's stuck in there. What the? Hold on. There's our accessory box. So, yeah. So inside the accessory box, we have origami, freaking more cardboard. That's great. Oh, look at that AV cable. That's never been used. Which, do you know what? I mean, if you're gonna connect a game console, it should have those connections on it. So this doesn't really matter. And power. And then a power cable. Looks like a power cable from like a Sony, like PlayStation 2 and PSP, to be brutally honest. But it is a multi-voltage power cable. And that is it. That's all that she wrote. That is the accessory box. So that is about it. You get a power cable, AV, and your projector and the manual. That's all it says on the box. So, I mean, projector, AV cable, and AC power. That's it. So, here we go. let's plug this all in. I'm going to try to do this in one video. Let's plug this all in. It might be 30 minutes. It might be a 30-minute video, but whatever. Let me just plug this all in. I'm going to connect my Xbox into it, and then we'll see what... Actually, no. I can't do it because the LED light is on. Shit. So I'll see you guys in another video, and then we'll see this guy in action. All right? Stay tuned for part 2.